Welcome to Paulstoolbox. Today I'm going to show you a game changer when it comes to working with epoxy. If you ever use a cheap brush or any brush and your bristles get caught in here, or a bug gets in here, or trash gets in here, I'm going to show you a super quick way to get it out. First, I want to thank the people out there who follow my channel. If it wasn't for you guys and it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't be going on national TV, because now I'm joining a show, The American Builder. We already started shooting stuff last week and we had an awesome time. You're going to see a lot of stuff with me and The American Builder, Brian Gurry. I want to thank Stone Coat Countertops and YouTube for putting all of this together. This book right here is a book that was written by Mike Quist, the owner and founder of Stone Coat Countertops. Mike wrote this book to help people build themselves up on YouTube. And let me tell you, it's already helped me a tremendous amount. I went to an artisan summit. When I was speaking at this, I met Brian Gurry from The American Builder. He was speaking as well. We hit it off, and I've learned so many things on how to build my channel even better through this book. So we're going to be giving 100 of these books away for people who go to his channel. I'm going to give away 50 of these tape measures. This is one of my inventions, one of my patented inventions. And we're going to give away 50 of them. We're going to give away 4 ladders from Louisville. So what I need you to do at the end of the video, drop a comment on me. Write Louisville ladder, write tape measures, write anything you want. You like my show, anything. You're going to be added to the list. Then go over to American Builder's channel. When you go over there, all you need to do is type in Louisville ladder, tape measure, or Stone Coat Countertops. Any one of those. But make sure you write Paulstoolbox sent me. Once you do that, you'll be entered for the drawing again. So you'll be in this drawing twice just from going through my channel. This is an excellent show. The guy was cracking me up the whole time I went out there to film with him. He's a nut, and that's why he's a 5-time Emmy Award winner. Me, I have a YouTube button. That's it. But I'm going to have a lot of fun on his show. Let's get started with the video. What you're going to want is a little acetone, a rag to wipe your hands off and wipe your brush off with, and the number one thing to use is a toothbrush. This will pluck anything out of there. And let me show you how easy it is. As you know, this is a cheap brush. It's going to lose bristles no matter what, even if I don't clip them. But I'm going to take some and clip them and drop them in here. Pour it a little thicker. I'll take and clean my hands off real quick. That's why I keep this acetone here. I hope you can see them. They're right there. Look how it just grabs them. Grabs them right out. It's just that easy. Let's go ahead and take a couple of pieces of just trash. Drop in there. Let that sink down in. Get another piece of trash right here. I'll just go right in there and scoop it. So like I said, you could have a bug in there, a hair, anything. You're just going to pull it right out. Well, there you have it. The easiest way to keep your epoxy clean, period. Make sure you keep acetone on hand, a clean rag, and a good toothbrush. And you got it made. So don't forget, you need to drop 2 comments. One on my channel and one on The American Builders. You have to be a subscriber to do this, because I have to have a way to get in touch with you. This head right here goes in a V so it can grab a pole. As skinny as this, it can hang on a pole and not rock back and forth. You can put it on an inside corner or an outside corner. It will not cause any damage. The Pro Top on the extension ladder is the same way. So you can put it on your siding without causing any damage. And it's available on your A-frame ladders as well as your extension ladders. So what are you waiting for? Check them out at LouisvilleLadders.com. You won't be sorry.